The product tested today is one such valve. Inside the volute is gas to test the tightness of the entire casting. The test pressure is 200,000, right? This is one of our test mounts. If you test the support, remove some of its end faces and each worker through the upper and lower molds. This side, and this side, and the bottom side. There's also a seal inside the side. After the seal is completed, a test is performed, see if it leaks. This is our testing instrument. Let's take a look at the program. Parameter is a pressure of 200 kilo. Go in and I test it with 10 seconds. Let's test it. Start. In place.